Whoops. Alright, fix and repair today. This train. This is a hit toy company, Thomas. I changed the wheels on Annie. This bottom was originally on this one, but I switched this one to this one. And I switched the wheels. Right. So it's noisy. It's noisy. We're going to make it quieter, or I am. I'll show you. And it sometimes gets stuck. Right. And it's a cog. Right. This will take a few minutes. That still needs a bit more unscrewing. I can't really unscrew this. Seems like I can. So you'll know it's this cog, I think. Whoa. Everything's falling out. And then take this cog out. Use a screwdriver. Wait a minute. There. Well, that's a cog. And then I've got another one in here. Somewhere. Whoa, there. You see how it's different to that one? Slightly different, I think. Slightly different. I don't care. It will still work, I think. It will lose that. Ooh, is that it? No, that's it. Can't really zoom in here. It's so tricky to zoom in. And push the cog in like that. Yeah, like that. Once that's done, you can put everything back in. I put this one in first, and then this one. But make sure the spring is there. If you lose it, you can't turn it on. You can't turn it back on without the spring. And this one goes here. Oops. That one's wobbly, I might break it. And this one, you have to keep the spring on here as well, I think. Whoops, kind of wobbly here. I keep dropping this thing. 7 minutes already. Doing that like this without it falling over. You have to put the spring at the bottom. Put standing upright. And then put this one on. Zoom in. Make sure it's tight. Kind of. Oh, just force it on. And then you can screw it on. But it's not closing. Even when I push it, it won't close. Because the motor's a bit out of place. You need it like this. Right, you need it just a little gap there. Right there. Don't push it in anymore. Or it will hit that thing and will make a noise, I think. Now it will close properly. Screw it in. I've screwed it on now. Right. Make sure not to lose that. Right. I can't replace this crack here. Somewhere. Nope. There's a crack there. And I cannot replace it. Because I don't have any more axles like these or wheels. Because I don't have any more axles like those or wheels like those. Or blue wheels, I mean. Like, put this in. You put the metal thingy in between here. You can't really see. Like that. Wait a second. And then make sure it's correct. And then Remember to put the coupler there. Like that, like that. And then test it before screwing it in. It's quieter than before, I think. And now screw these two screws in. Try not to screw them in too hard or they'll break. Whoops, or the plastic thing will break, I mean the screws. It's 10 minutes already. I mean, it's 11 minutes into this video already. Try not to. Too bright. Alright. Then put this on. I'm not sure if it's even the right one for this. Whoops. And here it says, wait a second. The battery here says R6P SUM-3 AA DC 1.5 volt. 1.5 volt. I'm not sure if this is the correct battery though. Say 1.5 volt Energizer. Why won't this zoom out? As working. I don't think this is the correct shell. Oh, there we go. Right. How do I put this on? It shouldn't do that. It shouldn't keep going. It shouldn't keep going when you stop the wheels like this. It's skipping a gear, I think. As you can see. Goodbye.